Say, cook me some food.
Hey, Bud, cook me some food.
Alright.
Oh, God, fucking back away now. Oh, shit.
Oh shit!
Oh, shit.
Kill.
No. Oh, fuck, it's on fire!
Kill it. Come on, bro. I just want to look at it. We can resume it. Kill it.
Oh, wait.
Shit, there's gonna be smoke everywhere.
Go, open it now. Oh, my God.
Oh shit.
Ah!
I say she banging.
I'd say my food is overcooked.
That was actually like, it took place really fast. Throw her back in. Give her some more.
I'll give her some more. You ready?
Yeah, flip the switch. She said it 5 minutes.
Oh, she's going again. Oh, boy. Oh!
Holy shit.
It stinks so bad in here. Ah, she's on fire!
That's a big fire. Alright, kill it.
Open it.
Yeah, she's on fire!
Ah! Let's go through outside.
She cooked. Throw it out in the rain. And then we'll...
Set, go.
It's not working.
Come on, turn the fucking TV on. You know what? Fuck it. Back away.
Oh shit. It's good that there's a light in there. We can see it.
You know. Come on, catch fire. Oh,
Oh my god.
catch fire. Whew, that stinks.
Don't matter. Oh my god, that's so bad.
I dare you to plug up that phone that's outside.
Dude, there's sound everywhere.
Dude, it smells like Hot Pockets.
Raw bass.
Do you smell that Hot Pocket?
Yeah.
It does, for real.
Alright, cut it. Dude, there's smoke coming everywhere.
Oh god, take it out. Open it.
Oh my god, that's smokiest so far. I burnt the Hot Pockets.
Yum.
That's toxic.
Good thing there's no smoke alarms up here.
Oh shit.
Pick her up, move.
Is it hot?
Ow, fuck, it's hot.
Put it on top, I want to see it. Wait, no, I want to see it first. Oh, that's so bad. Oh, it's alright. Throw it in.
Wait, I gotta see if she works. You damn asshole.
Oh, it's sparking.
Oh, look, the remote's working now.
Just need some electric. Dude, you can see it on the video
Dude,
too.
we're gonna be a fucking legend if it explodes in our faces and I go on camera.
Dude, look at the side of it.
It's coming up the side.
Oh my god, wait, I'm opening up this door for me.
Open that door now.
Try to wave it out.
Hey, buddy, charge me up some batteries.
Small but deadly.
Let's do this. Oh, go on.
I want to be close because it happens fast. Dude, it might actually blow up. I'm not sure.
Better fucking not.
I hope it does. You got the kill switch.
I do got the kill.
Put your finger on the button.
Oh!
Shit, she's smoking.
I ain't touching that shit. You better grab the plate first. Oh my god. Dude, it's leaking everywhere.
Oh, acid?
Yeah.
Oh, shit. Oh my god, that's so nasty. Alright, cut it.
No, wait.
I think it's
Give it like
basically
10
done.
more seconds.
I think it's done. It doesn't have a smell, though.
When you grab the plate and dump it out.
Wait, stop it.
Hey, bud, you want to play a game?
Playing Xbox right now, boy.
Let's play the Xbox in the box. Let's go.
You wanna see how you level up real quick?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it's already spurking.
Oh, damn. My Xbox controller.
Oh, it's coming out like the chocolate.
Oh! I got that one. Imagine if the things start vibrating inside.
Oh, look at that smell.
Oh!
Pop! Oh, it smells horrible. It smells like popcorn. We're gonna let this one go a little bit longer.
Oh.
Letting this one go a little bit longer.
Oh!
And then we're gonna do this other controller.
What other controller? Dude, there's so much smoke in here.
Not that much, actually.
So I think she's done. Well, maybe not.
I cut it. It's just.
Man, there's nothing good to watch on fucking TV. Maybe there's something good on the microwave. Maybe something good on the food channel. I don't know.
Yeah, our microwave stinks. Oh wait, no, we're gonna put some more good stuff in there.
You better call the programmer first before you put that in there.
Hello, how do you work the microwave? Turn the button, alright. Done deal.
God. Dude, we fucking we done with that, boy.
The remote's sparking first. I think that there is a battery in that phone.
I don't think there is.
It's heavy.
No, I checked
The
them all.
lights are lighting up.
No, there's no battery in it. I do know that for a fact. The buttons are leaking.
That's what I said.
Oh. I don't think anything will get louder than that controller.
That was pop. Maybe these, because these have batteries in them.
What? Oh,
These
yeah.
tablets, they might.
That's gonna be worse.
I hope. I can only hope. This is the only one that survived. Did you sharpen it?
I tried.
It's actually sharp. Not that sharp.
Phew, that stinks. Damn.
Stanky. Now the go. Yeah. We should go inside for a little bit and come back out. Wait the full 30 minutes. Yeah, it's going outside again. Dude, you remember when it was pouring out the side?
Yeah. Alright, you ready to kill it?
Yeah, got it. That hot, steamy meal.
Oh, yeah. That's a nice meal from the food
That
channel
phone didn't do
network.
much.
No, it didn't. I think the remote took it off. Hey, Caleb, brighten the hell up.
Alright. Pry.
Oh, oh.
How fast? How fast?
Oh!
Right away. It's actually Leighton.
Hey, Caleb, now when I told you to lighten the fuck up, I said lighten up!
I mean, that first one really doomed. See, this one does.
Oh, let's back up. Okay. I didn't do nothing.
Shut off.
I think the microwave died.
No, it didn't.
Oh, shit.